All right, welcome back again to my channel. I hope all is well with you. Please make sure that the video and subscribe to the channel. So this morning, I just want to react on a program of Blazuba. One of her live stream, one of her gangster called my name. You see, I don't want to talk about Blazuba all this while. I purposely stopped talking about her because I felt that she's, her madness is out of this world. But the issue of protests in Finland, I think last year, the same thing happened. I believe it should be last year. But let me say, the other protest before this one, they wanted to protest the other time. Remember, the Lazuba and the Biafra Unite were busy pushing for a protest, if you can recall. And so one of her gangsters, I think the same man again, who lied the other time, decided to also, he's now lying against me again. And but this one is different. So normally I wouldn't have play or talk about Lazuba now, but I think this one worth it. I just want to clear on that. Nobody asked me, nobody informed me that she called me or she talked about me. I just decided to scan through that program because I noticed that many people are talking about it. I said, let me just listen. Then I am surprised to hear, where my name is being mentioned. So please, let's quickly hear this. All right, it's going to be. Let's hear this.
So ụmụ Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ ekene m ụnụ ụmụ ike njaba asị m Chineke gọziele m ụnụ mmaji olu mmaji dolitin nna-achọ ime ka ụnụ mara ụdatị na onye niile na-egbu amụma ọla edo onye niile na-akpọ nna m na-eje n'igwe ma mụ ma mmadụ ndị be anyị wee sịkwasị afọ ihe ede na moto wee banye moto onye ka m ji wee kpọọ distin mkpọ ka m gosi ụnụ how love Carolina Mbeze nwere ebe ọbata obi nọ ọnwụ na unu gee ife siri Carolina Mbeze wee n'ọnụ wee pụta unu kwesịrị ịmadati na otego this woman condemn ọbata obi otego condemn ye and ọ gwara ya agwa so hello.
Lazuba is a pure blackmailer. This Carolina Mbeze, this lady, happened to be her best friend. Carolina is one of her best friends. Okay, that's something that happened here, but like I said, I don't want to dwell more on this issue. Let's just go straight because I think the caller now is the one that yap nonsense. Let's hear from him.
Hello.
Yeah.
Ọtụtụ ọma ezi nwanne m ọtụtụ ọma. Chim nọ n'ọrụ.
Chim nọ n'ọrụ mgbe ada nwanne m ka m kelere ana m ekele gị ọfụma. Ịma asị ihe na efi na-enwere ọdụdụ chi ya na-ebuli echiche ghọtago. Yes, ekwetego m kwerekwa n'ọfụma. It's the highly intelligent can onwede oyi Chineke dị intelligent eziokwu niile because ihe niile ahụ i kwukwere ana m data niile na ọbata obi sabọl na kabinet and ihe niile ahụ ibere ya mpa ọrụ ihe niile ahụ ka ihe meziri ndị ọsọ ọha pesa ọwụ dị saboto
ọwụkwa na mgbara na sabo na mgbara na sabo kpọrọ ya ndị ọwụ I give him the names
get their record. Only got to talk thank God, didn't it? But for I wonder. I saw them now, I said I want to tell you, Chineke should remember now, Aye. Hey, not the go. So, because Igbo mụrụ ọkwụ na ahụrụ ịma onye ọbụla na-ekwu eziokwu ọ tọrọ n'ebe dapụta anaghị mapụta asị enwere onye mere na asị na ọwụ sabo onye mpụ gị si yes na-emekwere ndị fụrụ afọ nọ na kabinet na sabo gbara ya okirikiri
ọ mgbe madam azụ kapụ Madam Azuka.
Yes. Give over to obvious. Oh no, longer on a cabinet. That will take it. I don't forget that thing. And let exactly what happened. Okay, where is okay today? I may have okay, Christian, I think Prime Minister. Okay, Christian, now you a Prime Minister don't work here. Okay, Ghana, Bambo, Oguno,
Wopu abatobie na brigi registration. Na brigi.
Okay, I know you may not understand what is happening here because I did not play all those things. This woman, Lazuba, is bragging that she had been vindicated. Like she normally said, I've been vindicated. And this Ofeke Anakwe on her phone, he's also busy, repeating the same thing. That I need intelligence, need very smart, who feel you got up to be named, and that neighbor saboteur. I understand that they don't understand the meaning of saboteur. That somebody is a saboteur, or they don't know what the word sabotage actually means. But it's not too hard for you to know. You can ask Google, what is a sabotage? What is saboteur? Who is saboteur? Then you cannot relate it with whoever you want to target on to see if that person meets the criteria to become a saboteur. But he don't want to talk about it. Now, Lazuba, in the same program, told her followers, her gangsters, that she can never go back to become a media when before Batobe comes out. In the part of the video, some part, she also said that if PM goes back to support to be with all these people, that means DPM or Oginkere, that she will turn against PM. All this is not actually my concern because that's not a folk force here. In other, or if I inquire, force here. So we must not ask everything now until you have to make the work. Then you can, say what you want to say on that. But why must a grown-up man, abandon his sense of reason to champion something that he or she, supposed to know? Like you are championing something that you know that is negative. You are the one championing something that you know that is negative. This thing you are saying now is not true. But you are leading gangsters like you to, keep on pushing that narrative. Now, I want you, because this issue of vindication, you are vindicated, has damaged many things. Now, remember this. Let me allow him to talk more.
Registration. And walk and I walk with Obatobie na September. Obatobie cannot with Ogenkele Mbogo Proba after Obatobie na registration.
Idea. So you see what happened. Na bridge registration. All the betrayal. Since this problem proven no. Ngozi Ogenkere agabede ga agwọ mata obi ma ọ fụtụkwa ma o kwu okwu onwe nwere otu osi mee program pọta ga-esi mee ka ọ mata o na-eti ha my boss
my boss
ada esi na ogene ka ewu Ngozi ọ na-ebe the same thing. Thank God if I come after defeat the machine I get repeat na place also na nge gwara ya na Ngozi Orabeza and Ogenkere na ha na-akwa mbọ na ha sabu. And before give the message, I get repeat here that particular place. Call onye ọbụla na-ege ntị mara ihe ahụ na-eti. What is happening now? That is there.
This idiot don't even know what is happening now. You think that DPM is a saboteur? Then how? I mean, where? How? Explain. What did she do that is sabotaging PM? Just mention one. What is that she's doing that is a sabotage to PM or to the movement? Or mention one. And tell me the alternative. How the alternative is the best way to go. Now, this is the reason why Lazuba did this in when PM was sentenced. This is the same reason, because that's the same mentality. Oh, I have been vindicated. I told Obatobia. In this video, she said that Obatobia is supposed to apologize to her. Do you understand? Now, remember this. Remember. All right, welcome back. So we are back again on new video reaction. Lazuba is celebrating that PM has been jailed. So I know many of you have seen this video, but this is her first video. You know, when the news broke out, I was waiting to see if she will, react on that. She waited and waited and waited until CS started her program because I just checked. I said, okay, let me today. I'm gonna key in to know what this woman will say. What she will do? Why? Because we all know her contribution to all this mess. All right. Even though she's pretending to that she don't know what she have done or what she's doing, but you'll be talking to children, not me. So because I know that everything that she's doing is something else. Now, she's here dancing, okay, dancing. That is her first reaction, okay. So this is her first reaction. She keep on dancing, and we all know what that means. Then, until some people started asking her, "Why are you dancing?" That everybody is angry. You know, today is a sad day and all that, and She said this.
Say, nobody rejoicing, only you. You see, all because no nana him understand. Nanya can waggy in this world. You want a chineke de lo de gie, and when a bosom by your neighbor. Oko na chuku no kugie, and when bosom by your neighbor. Mother de Lumuruna. Oh, Yana Muruna. Ilia Murun Kai, Berupa Murun, cause other person. Oh, no, one jar. Nay, Gente. Since so. One of my own person, my family. Oh, no, one Gente. Unu ya mani family nu yeme. Unu kwesilema. Kama na amana nkunu si awota na na kowa. Omo that unu feel lo that na opata obi ya apụta. Ma that no na ama he faithful is that guy. Ona ama idea. Ife opata obi ife chelo opata obi niru. Mgbe nna agwa unu na ndị a niile wu the same. Nna imakwa that no one ife wu that na when a group of people they meet the way so the whole group will fight out for you. I want to know understand. If you don't talk and be on and I'm a we with that about to be 60 years. But then no one that in Anthony all of them want to jail him. All of them from A to Z.
Okay, that is her own explanation. She's trying to tell you that she's doing that. She's right. You understand? Like she knows what she's doing. But there's something she said here. If you have not, I don't know if you noticed that people should have known better that Obatebe will not come out. So meaning that she's keep on saying what she's saying and causing all this nuisance, knowing for a fact that Obatebe will not, that PM will not, be released. The PM will not be. They will not. They have to jail him. Now, he said that people that followed up at Obie refused to join hands together to fight for him and all that. But last time I checked, you yourself are not doing anything. You remember after the declaration of Biafra, you supported USB. The woman, Lazuba, supported the USB. From there, she decamped to fall back. From fall back, she did not last there. She created another push to fall deep. Then she fall deep. In that fall deep now, she have already decamped again. Now, instead of decamping, why don't you form your own group and you have the platform This is the part. Let me just pause it here. This is a part that I want to stop it. Now, there's another conversation between this woman and what the man called Obieze. Okay, where she actually said that Obieze is that PM deserves to be jailed, and PM as a terrorist, that everybody working with PM is also a terrorist. Do you understand? So why am I telling you this? Makandi oh, she had, oh, you have been vindicated. Vindicated my foot. A woman that knows, she don't even know her name. He's telling you telling you how future will be. Your prediction and everything is zero. Whatever you told PM then is actually nothing. It is immaterial. And imagine, ask her, how are you? How about your WhatsApp group of how did you manage a group? Ordinary WhatsApp group, you couldn't even handle it well, and you are eyeing to get involved in nation building. Who does that? You don't have what it takes, Okoko. You don't have anything to back it up. Nothing. So what Lazuba and the man is doing now is to make sure that everything, appeared as if Lazuba won PM. Lazuba, advised PM what to do. Don't trust this person, trust the other person, as if Lazuba is a seer or a prophetess. Lazuba that was even begging this Caroline Mbese that she's lambasting now. She used to rely on Carolina's prophet. Do you understand? She used to. The same prophet that PM openly rejected from Carolina. But Lazuba went behind, taking information, believing that prophet is one pushing herself or parading herself as if she's one, and telling PM about tomorrow, what future holds. Let me repeat myself. PM refused to walk or believe the prophet of Carolina Mbese. Carolina believed that her pastor is the best. PM said, I don't trust your pastor. Then Lazuba went behind because both of them are friends, taking instruction and messages from Carolina's pastor that PM rejected to listen to. Now, the same Lazuba is here telling you that PM supposed to apologize to her because she told PM what to do and PM should have listened to her and all that. All those nonsense is how they flip-flop. Now here, this Okoko man, this idiotic man, that knows how to lie with my name. I'm coming to watch what the man said with my name. Just hear this.
My boss.
My boss.
Hey. Ada, it's not going to kill. Goes on a message, the same thing. Thank God, if after defeating the machine, I get repeat a place also. Nange, when gave Brianna, goes on a best and don't get Canana pump on now. And before giving the message, I get repeat here, that particular place. Call on your plan, I get to great. When I hear him, what is happening now? But him that, oh no, that is there. I am walk out, okay, correct. What here was. I'm telling you, on your bullet. Now, I'm coming to you. If we bring a hair from that, yes, this woman, so here, this woman, and here and then I come by since you put here. Now, because me, what now, say, oh, yeah, McGee. And they really did for Carolina Mbese because that time was one of the top members when breaking autopilot. Carolina Mbese got that Finland, the first one and second one. Give me no one idea in him again.
Ojelo, I want to go Ojeho.
Hey,
so I want to go that now. Pokanuri and I stop over Toby very soon.
That is it. All I mean, man, I had 100%, but I am getting 95%.
Now, why he gave her that 95%? Because In the video of Obadobe up here, which I don't want to go back because I don't want the video to be too long. Obadobe said that Lazuba Adadiorama was trying to instigate fear by telling him that Ogenkel is fake. Ogenkel is an agent. Ogenkel is a saboteur. That DPM is a saboteur. So this man was like, "Oh, you actually said those things. Wow, nah, you are very, very, that kind of thing." That's why he said, "It's boy." You understand? All this is just to make this easy Teresa to start swelling up as if she's important. But the same Lazuba that this man is praising here is, you hear what Lazuba said to Carolina's pastor. Hear this.
Because now money in evil, but one of evil, man on this mess in no. Because so one of evil, I'm is a 9 man on any way. And now we are one Yahweh. A McQueben carry no kita. When they say my condition. Everyone I'm maganina once. No one is Zokudiano. It's Namuma Yahweh, great woman, the whole world, the Wanina Yamo, Macanas, the Kumacanes, Pulumanas, Promo. And I'm no catching, no catching, no if you follow. Mona Carolina and Beza, and I catch you. I even I now. Go on, when good season and Janos, no catching on the Jena social media, parent. Everyone Amumaga walk.
Okay.
Nah,
Okay.
sick all.
Thank God that I myself. Which you tell it.
Welcome wages now. Nabai. Oh, answer Mamma Onye or DJ. I want to mask and I'm not gonna be
But that was your first statement. Now that
Manibi some Namuma go Fuma is Namma go for my second Nama
yes,
for my
because you know me very well. Okay, Mama,
hey.
I'm not even
Oh,
yeah.
So under age now, one in age of Bedibia, I would call on Jebedibia Keta. I'm one of Dibia Hofuma. Macanoma from a well Malonia Wofuma.
So this is the argument of Lazuba with the pastor himself. Do you understand? All this thing is just because she always wants to be right. This is the same woman that is confirming here that he actually relied on Pastor Carolina's pastor's message, Pastor Binna. Okay? And that's the same woman that is bragging that what I told Obatobi, I warned you Obatobi, you should apologize to me and that, not that nonsense. This woman has nothing to offer. Do you understand? Nothing. I mean nothing. So let's go back to the other message. Pay attention. Hold on. Let me go back to the current one, so it will make more sense. So you can hear the.
If them were every time killing this particular place, they could now never program.
Everyone just share on Obatobi from Sabo.
Yes, that is it.
That's the.
Hey, I heard that is it. If we're going and I'm not that about to be put the same form now. Same well, and they put a private. See, let me again and go passable in the cabinet.
Now, the man is blaming PM. He's not blaming PM for referring what the Lazuba said in his private. And they were private or whatever publicly they could that kind of thing. This man by Adadiorama. And I want you to hear what this idiotic man said about Kai report.
Here can now. Please, my
people, listen.
There was a time on only one government take this doctor. Oh no, get on this. He get me arrest. Or was about Cornish, Chegudin Etch. Oh, last time one that will appear on them. Okay, him. Manacamo, no. Kill a work and like a type of song. Madame Carolina Bez.
Now, this idiotic man is warning Canada TV, Kai Report, and Carolina Bez. Carolina, that I don't know the woman. I don't even know anything about her. Carolina Bez. What is my business with Carolina Bez? And this woman here, let me allow him to continue so you can now hear why he's warning Kai Report.
peace protest anaga all fail to meet expectation and the expect I may give there I get hold on responsible on enemy of Biafra and enemy of Ndi excuse me yes we have been always saying that but let us know our enemy. Let us know our enemy. Okay? I know somebody now attack a boss or something. Our enemy. Kill a calendar. Kill a television. Kai television put on a program here. Say, na Simon only the protest for Gadiagua. Or one thing what I give me a protest, call Simon Gadia from men. I'm going to follow us. Protest. I got protest for him. Education, I got Kina may expect a phone na phone. Who are you in the phone na phone? So call me one natural protest. Keep making a bag. Who about it? Man, shall they give believe you listen.
I believe you heard him very, very, very loud and clear, right? Now look at this useless man. I have never for once said that PM should call me. There's no time anything like that happened. Most of my videos or broadcasts or live stream are not 100% Igbo language, but that does not mean that I don't understand Igbo language. Okay, and if I say something that you don't understand, I'm not one of those that used to use big grammar. So what am I even saying that is difficult for people to understand? Did I ever mention that PM should contact me before protest? Look at, what is my take on all those things? But I'm not surprised because last year the same man dragged me. The same man, he dragged me in the same platform. Anytime there's protest, I don't know if he's uncle to Biafran Unite, he always find a way to link it to Carreport. Carreport did not say, are you expecting me to do what? I never said people should not go and protest. I did not say people should run away. Last year, he said that I kind of told people not to go because they are going to poison them. I think, is it last year or early this year? I've forgotten the first protest where they thought they made an attempt. Now and again, this useless man is dragging me again. That kind of said PM should call him. PM should contact me. As what? Please, my people, those of you that follow me here, did you watch any of my video where I said that people should not go and protest, that PM should, if PM need protest, he should reach out to me? I don't understand. I don't see myself as a proud or arrogant human being. I don't know, maybe you can confirm if I am, because as na no able man is in our, so maybe if you see me, do you see me as someone who is arrogant, or maybe that I'm full of myself? That to the extent that I will come online and begin to brag that PM should contact me, must call me. As in what? Like what? What I said initially is that I'm not against it. I don't promote it. Why? Because people that claim they are the one championing the protest has made me to start having this kind of mindset that they are not doing something differently from what people are supposed to, what it should be. And yet somebody is somewhere trying to drag my name to the mud, lying against my personality, lying against me. I never said people should not go. What I said is that I'm not promoting it. That's what I said. Then I later came back and said, according to what I'm hearing, that somebody reached out to me that truly PM talked to him that he is in support of the protest. The first person that sent me the flyers told me to go, even before the announcement, before even Lasuba started talking about protests. I have gotten information, at the beginning, initial stage. From outset, I said, okay, let me just calm down and wait until this is being verified. The person told me that I'm in the cabinet, I'm in the USB government, use this. I said no. Why? Because I did not see it from DPM handle. Because I don't trust everybody in the cabinet. Why? Because of some of the things that ex-cabinet members are doing. You don't know who is who. They may be in the cabinet while planning to check out, and they would like to drag you while going out. They want you to go with them. So I know this. I have to be very, very sure. I have to ask many people. As many of you don't trust me, I don't trust you either. I have to also open my 2 eyes. Then this Ofeke, this Anoya is here talking bad about me. You are very lucky that I don't have access to your contact. I would have just reached out to you and pour my mind on you. People can be very, very useless. And Lazuba, you are a very proud saboteur. You need to also advise yourself, put yourself in jail. All these your members need to be cautioned. You have to talk to them. But I'm not expecting you to talk to them either, because you also need help as well. Anyway, I'm going to end it here. But to set the record straight, please, I'm not saying you should not go to Finland to protest. And I did not mention PM in everything I said. What I just said is that I don't trust those that are the so-called organizers. And PM have not, made it clear to anybody in USB. That was what I said then. Not me. I don't have access for PM to call me or anything as such. I'm not even expecting that. The only thing I said some time ago is that somebody told me to pay some money so that PM can ring me. PM can call me. When the issue of a PM called and PM did not call was flying everywhere, somebody told me that PM calling people is not an issue. That do you know that if you pay some certain amount to some people, that they will make sure that PM call you, something like that. I said, I don't need to pay for this kind of thing. I don't have money either. You know what I mean? So please like the video and let me know what you think about all this discussion so far. God bless you and take care of yourself. See you again. Day one. Bye-bye. Take care.